Alright, they can see you. We're live.
Calm.
Achoo! What is PBP APY saying?
Cells.
About to put my camera on, everyone.
Cells absolute.
Cells on. Oh, and GJ.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. 20,342.27 stop loss. 21,000.
I've got a feeling, whichever way GJ does go today, it's gonna do exactly what it did yesterday. Keep shooting in that direction. That means today, my runners, I will be holding them.
Today, your runners.
Yeah. Yesterday would have been like minimum 1 to 3 trade, but because I had to go, I didn't want to hold runners because I wouldn't have been there to manage the trade.
I did say that to the guy. I was like, yeah, there might be no runners here, boys.
It was amazing. That was very good.
It was on the right. 20,000. It's a pretty beautiful trade, to be fair. That's what I said. I was like, bro, when he's on fire, he's on fire. So keep watching,
man.
boys.
Yeah, let's hope rest of November's like that. Rest of the week should be
This
good.
is just the beginning.
We're just getting it started, boys. I ain't even taken FTMO yet.
Imagine what you do.
I'm actually looking forward to it.
That trade would have finished it, by the way.
I know. That's the thing. I could literally do that.
That trade would have finished it.
Find one banger trade, just move to break even every time.
Also, 100 follows.
Have we finally hit it?
Yeah, we finally hit it. That's not here.
Let's go.
Big ups.
Amazing stuff.
Selling Bitcoin around 20,000 almost exactly. Selling a GJ right now, currently as we speak, around. I sold it around 169, so almost at the peak, very close to the peak, 8 pips away from the peak. Not bad. Gold, I'm waiting for a retracement from this level. Just continue. No liquidity has been grabbed, so don't expect a big move, but still. Ethereum dropped as well. Missed that trade, unfortunately, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, it happens. Ethereum, that happens. Shut up, Siri. Okay. Anyways, let's move on to
greater and bigger thing. Terry?
Siri.
Oh, I was gonna say, who the fuck's Terry?
Siri was speaking.
I swear down, this camera keeps freezing again. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Oh, that is bad. That is bad.
Right through my brain.
Okay.
Are you ready to start? I know we've started, but are you ready to start?
Hold up. Might be using zoom camera again. To be fair,
it's not bad.
Zoom camera is exactly the same.
I figure out what's wrong with mine. I have it the other way around, but I'm not
Oh, is
fixing
yours
it right
vertical right now?
now. Mine's vertical at the moment. There's two modes to it. It's vertical and horizontal.
Is it hard to switch it?
No, I just can't be asked right now. I'll switch it eventually.
Alright, it's calm. Actually, yeah, Zoom makes it a lot easier, to be fair.
Mm. Also, Euro USD chat does not go to your stream. Although one did subscribe to us that yesterday from my one
Yeah.
stream. That one person that joined also subscribed. It's pretty
So
crazy.
guys, this is the elasticity of demand. OBS stopped working, straight away switch to Zoom. They fucked
Yeah.
up. They fucked up.
Basically, it's price elastic.
Yeah.
Demand elastic.
That's right, I do economics. Don't know what I'm doing. What am I trying to do? Yeah, I wanted to check the news. Let's see, economic calendar. I just wanted to check the news. Okay,
I
there's
plugged it on Discord.
Oh, nice. There's a Bank of England speech at 9.
Screw those people. They're tanking the. Oh, those people again. Those boring, bro. I watched them. Ah, boring, man.
I saw that
Your
one.
own pal is so much better. Although, to be fair, 6 people stayed for the entire stream somehow.
Yeah.
Such a boring thing. It's one. I think it's one of our biggest streams as well. BOE. I'm not gonna lie.
It's the
It's
news
one of
in
our
the
biggest
title, I'm telling you. We need to
They're
do
waiting
that
for
for
me to-
NFP Day.
Yeah. I didn't actually stream NFP this week. Or last week, anyways.
Oh shit, was it last week?
Yeah. I didn't stream
Right.
it.
Oh, no worries, we got the BOE. BOE.
I was drained from speaking. So I had to chill.
Yeah.
Dick Caesar is gonna push up from here, to be honest. So like,
Did you at everyone in Discord?
Dick Caesar is gonna push up from here. Which one? NFP or yesterday?
Just today.
Today, yeah. Oh, I didn't add everyone, but
Alright, copy. I can plug Insta from my laptop, I'm pretty sure.
yeah, your dollar's like gonna crash as well. It would have taken my stop loss, and then luckily I closed break even yesterday.
Say that again?
I would have got closed out euro dollar yesterday if I didn't close a break even, but I did
Oh, nice.
intuitionally.
Yeah,
No,
I saw that. It was
structure.
moving a bit slow, wasn't it? So
It was structure. Yeah, structure made me close a break even. I was like, yeah. Normally, I know if like a trade's gonna work out in the first hour.
why is it doing that? That's interesting. Whenever I move my laptop, it freezes the camera. As in,
Maybe it can't keep
when I
up.
move the top side.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Maybe can't keep up. I can't keep up with the movements. Too quick.
Just too quick.
Too quick, brother.
Don't worry if I do it this way. There we go.
Are you logged on to Enigma? Like
what?
YouTube Enigma?
No, I'm on my own.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
But obviously I can type from here.
There it is. Nice.
Very monotone. Got it.
If you want to pin that, do you mind pinning that?
Type in a
It's more for. It's just so people can have something like if ever we do. It's like a little what's it called? Backup plan.
Yeah.
Where we stop talking, guys. Just look at the pin comment.
Hold up.
100 followers. That's not bad. We did it.
It's amazing.
Not
man.
finally as well. It didn't take too long as well. Like, to be fair.
It genuinely did not take that long.
No. 32. 32 in Discord. So far, TikTok's probably the weakest one, 17. Although TikTok grew really quickly in a short amount of time because we don't really look at TikTok too much. So that grew quite quickly, I would say.
That's true. Relatively.
Yeah. Considering we don't put as much effort or time into it, yeah, it's not bad. There you go. GJ's breaking structure over here. So there was sell side liquidity, but we've
Yeah.
taken that, and we haven't really fallen back inside now. So it
GJ's looking perfect.
might continue. Honestly,
Alright, yeah, on GJ, what I'm looking for is...
if you get temporary buys, I'm closing my sales. By the way, from your performance
Nah,
yesterday.
don't do that, bro.
Yeah, from your performance
The
yesterday.
reason I'll be taking buys like with more confidence today isn't because of my win, simply because of what happened yesterday.
I know, I can see. Don't
Yeah.
worry, I see what you mean.
You know
But
what I
I'm
mean?
looking for it to retest. I'm looking at it to go to 168, moving to break even anyways. However, I don't need to close partials because I only got 0.1 lot activated out of my total 1 lot.
Yeah.
So I had 1 lot already at sell limit at different points of the thing. But I didn't know I was gonna get such a pinpoint accuracy trade. So I only got 0.1 lot activated. So right now I should be up like what 100, 200, but I'm currently up 34.
Right.
Not
okay.
a lot, but
I saw that. You had loads of limits. But
I did. I have loads of limits for gold and BCC. You guys can see my bloody trades here, boys. look at that. Can you see my thing?
it's not focusing yet. There we go.
Look how many limits I've got.
Yeah. That's just what I showed.
Because the more it go against me, the bigger profit potential I have. But now
Yeah.
I've learned that since I get more like I can't lie, I get a lot of like pinpoint accuracy trades. So I put half of the total lots now onto the first entry and then scatter the rest on top.
Yeah.
It reduces risk and also maximizes profit. Is what I've found. What I've got to learn.
That's it, man.
This is just something I learned literally just now, and I'm trying it out and testing it live.
It's funny because that's what I'm planning on doing for FTMO.
Yeah.
Splitting my trades into, let's say, just having one set, one lot.
Mm.
Then once price reaches my entry, depending on the stop loss, just add more.
Yeah.
You know, one lot. And the good thing is, if price goes against me, like you were just saying, I'll actually be risking less.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been doing. That's what I'm starting to realize. I was like, wait, if it goes against me, like it's better. How many times do I really get a pinpoint accuracy trade? Obviously, I highlight that into groups, right? Like, oh, look at this pinpoint accuracy trade. But how many times do I actually get it? Not very often, right? I always be a bit. I'm always a bit of drawdown, like against myself. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna maximize that and use that as an advantage rather than a disadvantage. Instead of my psychology messing up because I'm in drawdown. Well, I'll take advantage of it by adding more positions in. And plus, I'm confident in my trades anyways that they work out. Most of them do, so.
Yeah. That's it. And obviously, if it misses your entry, oh well.
Exactly.
You got activated a little. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Because I've realized I've missed so many more than that I would have think. So I might as well take some.
Yeah, I probably want to see one more candle. Right now, this isn't enough for me. Just this one bearish candle. Plus, it's barely taken that low. I understand. I understand we took these major lows here around Asia session. Lots of stop losses waiting below here. But the real traders come in during London. And, I want to see them get taken out. Anyone who's trying to get in early right now, I want to see them get taken out, come further into this fair value gap here.
I'm break even by then.
So yeah, I want us to come further into there, then I'll look for buys. Plus this 1 hour has no bottom wick yet, so...
It's just started, hasn't it? Yeah, at least you started.
That's funny, I've never really looked at that in my back tested, the bottom wick, top wick thing. But now, I'm so used to doing it back in the day.
I'm still not used to backtesting it, like in terms of what's a top wick. What if a candle goes without a top wick? What if a candle doesn't? I need to still do that. I keep forgetting it, to be fair. So thanks for reminding me.
Yeah, wait, what the hell?
It's another question at the end of the day that I need to answer.
Is this guy fake?
Who?
Some guy with 2.8 million followers.
Yeah.
Saw our story.
Ah.
And another with 111k. Oh mate, this guy's
Smart.
smart. He's got someone doing it for him, I bet. Either that or we're moving up in the world, but
Efficiency 2.8. What's efficiency 2.8 again?
you tell me.
Is it I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me? Let's find out. I think I got it right, you know. Oh, not. No, it's not. I got it wrong. For by grace you have been saved through faith, and this is not by yourself; it's a gift from God. I know efficiency is also the one I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. That's another efficiency verse.
Wait, what was the
Take brands to the next level. Or efficiency 2.8 is basically saying that I was saved not through my own works, but through God Himself.
Oh,
Through
okay.
Christ.
Interesting.
Yeah, it was a gift. Being saved is a gift. No, yeah, they like the thingy. Yeah, I think he's like trying to get more people. Let's see how many TikTok views he gets. 139. I mean, considering he's got 2.8 mil, he has 72 likes, 72,000 likes. It's a bit much, isn't it?
Is that not normal?
What, 78,000? That's a very low.
Do you reckon? I don't know. I think Instagram that's decent.
Is it 42,000?
That also that what if you did it video blew up, didn't it? Kept
Yeah,
getting
true.
views.
No, I meant this is likes, not even views. It's like views. I mean, he gets decent amount, like a tenth of his
Yeah.
total follow.
Alright. I need to stop doing the social media and do the trading.
Not to worry, I shall do the social media.
Alright,
Social revelation is what.
Let's plug the GJ chat today.
Oh, also, I get more Iman. What's it called? Like, ads now. He started putting ads out. You know,
Hang on.
he stopped doing ads for quite some time, like YouTube ads. But now he's putting tons out. He's got a thing called something about Renaissance, New Age Renaissance or something like that. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. But yeah.
Say that again.
Iman Gadzi is starting to put more YouTube ads out. Like really pushing his brand
really?
now. Really
Yeah.
pushing his brand now.
He knows there's money to be made.
He knows he knows there's a lot of people are scared at the moment. Which, to be fair, most people should be taking advantage of it. Everyone is
Yeah.
scared at the moment because of the
Bro,
uncertainty.
even me, it's got me thinking down. FTMO can't really wait.
It could, bro.
Yeah.
Trust. There's
I know,
always.
I know there's a psychology side. I'm
time.
just saying, but in the
Yeah,
back of my
there's
head, I
time.
know it is very relatively important that I make.
They're saying it's basically like everyone in that space, like Iman Gadzi, Andrew Tate, they're almost fear mongering. They're like, if you don't do this now, there's no time of doing it in the future. Which that's a lie. There's always time to recover. There's always time.
But
to
it will be
recover.
significantly harder.
It will be
Let's not
significantly
pretend
harder.
that. Yeah,
It will be
harder.
significantly harder. I'm not gonna. Yeah, it's significantly harder. Plus, YouTube is gonna completely change. Most YouTubers are gonna go broke in 2024. I reckon.
Do you reckon? But yeah, but when you say most, do you mean the ones who are trying to make it still?
No, the ones who've made it. The ones who've made it, they're gonna go broke
Really?
probably. In terms of like the amount of money they're gonna be making every single month's gonna dry up.
That's a good
It's
point.
gonna dry up. Like, there's no one gonna be paying for ads anymore because no one's gonna be buying anything from ads anymore
That
because they
is
have
a
no
good
money to
point.
spend. So yeah, that's gonna change. Big change in YouTube soon, and you'll see that they're gonna have to do their own ways to make money. So you're gonna see again, like, more businesses outside of ads.
Yeah.
They have to basically think for themselves at that point. They can't just have ads falling on their laps. They have to.
True.
I'm not saying YouTube is a easy job, not at all. I'm just saying it's not gonna be easy from that on. Like, it's not gonna be this.
You should.
It's very forward.
Traders about to start becoming traders.
Traders gonna
Sorry,
have YouTubers gonna have to start trading. Yeah.
But yeah, so if anyone did join, actually, you know what? I can plug it twice.
Yeah, loads of
my boy, Big Shoulders.
loads of industries gonna change. Even trading's probably gonna change, to be honest, in the future. I don't doubt it at all. I don't doubt it. Okay, my GJ cell's working perfectly over here. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff.
Yeah, someone in that chat
Hello,
is selling
New.
too.
Hello.
Yo, New, what are you saying?
Hello.
Someone in that chat is selling too.
I'll tell him to go away and get off my cell. I want the money, he doesn't. What are you doing?
There you go, selling GJ already. Some other guy says looking for 50 pips.
Hey, get off my
That's
cells.
I'm just there like, nah, boys, looking for buys. Sorry.
Get off my cells,
Oh,
dickheads.
yeah, if anyone did join from that chat, quick breakdown of yesterday's buy. Relatively simple. We had lots of liquidity waiting towards the upside. We know lots of buyers were waiting for this area to get taken, and we know many sellers had their stop losses above this area, so price was attracted towards that area. So all I was looking for on the shorter time frames was, can we take a low and then get a nice rejection candle, a sign that liquidity's been grabbed from the downside. And once that happened, I bought. It was basically around London Open. I targeted here because I couldn't manage my trade. I had to go out. But runners, like I said, were going to be here. And from that point onwards, it's amazing stuff. I don't know how much you ran up to. But max of 1 to 14. It's pretty good stuff.
It was, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was, yeah. No, look at this. You're talking about FOMO. You mind sharing this real quick? You're talking about FOMO. This is what happens when you don't have FOMO in life. You miss out on this entire trade right here. This is sucky,
Oh,
sucky.
bro.
Yeah, look at that. So I was calling sells from up here. Been calling it all week, man. Basically all month, honestly. Basically all month. Calling sells up here and absolutely melted from there. I am looking for a retracement move over here, though. So I'm looking for a break of retest of this 20,000 level. Well, now we've broken 20,000. We should, in theory, continue pushing down if we retest it one more time.
Yeah.
All the way down to 17,680 or 17,750. But don't worry, I have plenty more of targets down here. So if I have to hold my trade, I will, just to get that to make back, not make back, but the potential loss over here. Big W though, that would have been big W. Everyone who went on my New York streams and stuff, they should have like seen this and probably caught it. It did exactly as I said. I said from here. It's probably gonna retest. Where's my arrows? It's gone. Can you go, please? There you go. So I was expecting one more retracement down to 20,000, a break of 20,000, finish back down below, and then a melt. And I said, in terms of scaling, if you guys want a safer trade, you want a break and retest at this level. If you want a safer trade, if you don't want a safer trade, then what you want to do is enter when it breaks back down below. Exactly what happened. So good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, no, I bet you remember Mark talking about those cells for like
years, bro.
Legit a month.
Years, bro.
Yeah. Actually, before he started trading, he was talking about those cells.
Yeah, before I even started trading, before I was born, I started talking about the crypto cells, boys.
Yeah.
I know this wasn't like I was calling cells, different cells, and I kept getting destroyed by them. No, I actually did call those exact cells.
Yeah, that's it.
Probably sometimes 5 times a stream. Ethereum did exactly the same thing, by the way. So I got Ethereum right as well.
But yeah, what you thinking on GJ new? Because I'm looking for very similar to yesterday again. I want buys again.
I'm looking for sales. I can't lie.
We're taking liquidity again. Price just keeps doing the same thing. So maybe after this candle closes, if I look at yesterday, let's try and see just how similar it is. I don't want to get in too early, obviously. So from 5:30 onwards, bish bash bosh.
Looks like we're gonna break down below on gold. If we break down below on gold, we should break down below on GJ as well. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. Obviously, that's not a certainty. It's not guaranteed, but I'm moving to break even soon. Anyways, we're close. We're close to my area. Yeah.
I think this could be the one.
On fire. This is normal. This is average.
If not, I'll be managing my trade quite fast, just in case it's the false breakout. And then I'll be looking to... Can I make this smaller?
To give you some sort of like confirmation that POC is above, and normally when POC is above, your trade seems to line up perfectly and work better. Just to let you know, and it's way above as well.
Yeah.
So you got time. The only issue is that you'd be going against me, and I don't find that very nice.
Me neither. Me neither.
We're both very what's it called? We don't feel good about this. There's a 50-50 chance at this point who wins.
Yeah.
Crazy thing. Now this is just us average, by the way. New. It's just we were not on fire, or we were just slightly below average a month or two ago.
Yeah.
Was
October was for me an L month. Let's just say.
Mine was okay.
It's break even, I'm saying, but not.
Yeah.
Not
No,
really.
because if I smashed that month, I can't lie. So, no, I smashed September. October I did okay.
Yeah.
November I'm doing a little bit better.
Let's see, man.
Adeel was an
An L roll. Is that a new
Yo.
word, bro?
Hey,
L
yo.
roll.
Why you gotta expose him like that,
Damn.
man?
How's my own moderator doing this?
Oh, you're getting exposed, bro. It's just
It
bad.
wasn't an L roll. It was an L win, L win, L win, where I made no profit. So
Yeah, because of commission, it was an L.
yeah.
Dumb commission, bro. For the other two people watching, just if you're new, can you type a reason for why you're trading? There's a pinned comment up there. Let's answer that. Just a bit more interactive, guys. You'll find this stream more enjoyable if you're a bit more interactive. Trust.
It's actually just Bilal waiting there.
Yeah,
He's just watching.
probably. The idea is we bounce off one another, you know? Freedom! There we go. Thank you, Samuel.
Freedom.
Samuel. Yes, absolutely. Freedom
Oh.
is the one. To be fair, I'm trading the same. One, I love it. I love trading. And two, yeah, the freedom is beautiful.
Okay.
Well, actually, let's ask Nu, since he's a full-time trader. Do you feel more free now that you left your job? Or you still feel the same?
I'm sure he does.
I know the answer already. I kind of bait him in there so he can talk as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Devious like that, bro. Devious like that.
Alright, let's see. This candle isn't looking. I don't like the candle, so I'm
Yeah.
gonna wait for another one. I'm gonna wait for another
Absolutely.
one.
It's hard work though. Yeah, it's hard work though. Freedom costs a lot, and I'm not talking about money. It's like you need to work a lot harder than the average person to finally get that freedom that you want.
Samuel, where are you like in your trading career then? Right now.
I'm telling you,
Are
it's
you
gonna
on
be
your way, or you made it?
freedom is also priceless. Exactly.
That's true.
Yes.
That is a good point.
So you work hard for it to attain something priceless. Absolutely, that's a great way of putting it. Beautiful. Put a tear in my eye, man. Although to be fair, I'm in the charts 24/7, so I don't feel free. But that's because I choose not to be free. I am
Choose to be on
shackled.
the chart.
I choose to be shackled by the charts because I am whipped by the charts. Do you know what I mean?
He's whipped by the charts.
On my way currently, soon to be there. Absolutely, absolutely.
Nice.
Love to see, man.
You got a good
Put it out.
mix on our streams.
Put it out there in the world, man. Make everyone know that you're gonna be there. You'll be there at the top. You'll be standing next to Nu. I don't know if we embarrassed
are
you
you-
by saying that, but we're
Sort of.
giving you a
Sort
shout out.
of.
We're trying to give you a shout out here, Nu.
Samuel, what pairs are you looking at anyway? You might have came from the GJ chat, I'm guessing.
I'm imagining so.
Maybe the Forex one.
You know, the gold people flock. You know, I think gold people are somewhat clueless, to be honest. They flock towards the streams when you post it. It's hilarious.
Is it the goal?
Don't be
I never
shaming
do
me.
that one. That's the one
Not
I
shaming
never
you,
do.
bro. We're telling you that you're the best trader we have in the group, and Bilal actually. Bilal's up there too. That's why you
Yeah.
guys are both absolute, legends and uncles. Legends
What
in the
is
field.
gold looking like anyway? Oh yeah, gold analysis was decent yesterday. Spot on.
GBJPY shorts. I'm with you, brother.
Oh god, it's 2v1. Nubin, are you
Yeah.
gonna back your boy up here?
No.
Yeah, gold analysis was good yesterday. We took those lows. Obviously, I was trading GJ. I didn't do this, but literally had a mirror pattern to GJ. To be fair, took the
Yeah.
lows, little double bottom, pushed them to the highs. That's pretty solid. Right now, I will be looking for. To be honest, I want these lows to get taken. 1666.
I mean, I'm like, yeah.
For the safest option before I would look for buys, I would want those to get taken.
I'm looking at moving to break even soon. I'm like 70 pips in profit already, so I'm looking to break even very, very soon.
Where was your entry?
169. Exactly. Last night.
As in 1679.
No, 169.
I'm on about gold.
Oh, right. No, I'm talking about GG. I haven't entered gold. I'm waiting for a retracement on gold.
Alright. We've been trading basically 4 years.
4 years.
So
4 or 5 years.
For me, it's 2019
Depends, yeah.
summer. Summer 2019.
Just started trading legally around 4 years, yeah.
Yeah. Allegedly, Mark started trading when he was 17. So
You can't prove that.
169. Yeah, he got a decent entry to be fair.
I did. However, I didn't want to get a decent entry. I wanted the trade to go against me a little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Had multiple entries.
It's not the full position.
Mm-hmm. Is what it is, though. It happens. Sometimes you get that pinpoint accuracy and you're sad about it, right?
Especially, yeah, with the way you're trading now.
Just me.
You don't want the snipers.
Nah, I really don't want the sniper entries. That's the issue, though. As soon as I start getting sniper entries is when I start, like... Yeah, this is why... I guess you don't change your plan so often, I suppose. Maybe that's the lesson I've learned. Because if you guys remember, last month I kept getting sniped out of my entry. Like, literally, this, perfect pinpoint snipe. So I decided to put my stop loss a little bit higher.
500 to 800.
So I had a little bit less of a risk to reward. The RR was a bit smaller this month, however, it's still very much profitable, so that's a W.
Okay, New wanted a higher. To be fair, New, I can imagine it going higher. I can't lie. I know Mark's selling right now, and Samuel's selling too, but where are you guys targeting for yourselves? Before I cause panic in the markets.
165.
Oh, so it's the big boy sell.
It's a big. I want this entire thing to retrace on itself. I specialize in these types. Yeah, I think you realize I specialize in these types of setups. To be fair.
Yeah.
After a big move, I absolutely just sell off straight away.
Well, to play devil's advocate,
Yeah.
this move upwards, very impulsive. Literally happened within 2-3 hours.
It did.
And that's a matter of 100. Sorry, about 150 pips basically.
Yeah.
This move back downwards, very slow, impulsive. It even generated liquidity, then took it out, and has kept doing the same thing. Took out liquidity again just now. So
Very
what
true.
I'm thinking is, if you were with the institutions right now,
This would be
would this not be a little faster? Would it not be the opposite? Would it not be slow and then bish?
Potentially, that's why I'm moving to break even.
Yeah. So
Because,
that's also why I'm looking for buys right now.
It makes sense. It could do a structure retest of like 168 before continuation back up.
Not
it
even
could.
16. Oh yeah, going down. Yeah.
Yeah, it
I
could.
think these highs will get taken most likely, but Mark is the professional high time frame trader, so he's got more weight in this conversation.
It's just okay. Yeah, momentum was very strong like yesterday, right? Momentum was strong. Yes, true. But if you look at the overall big picture, we look at that weekly candle a bit, like previously.
Hold up.
Look at the weekly candle. Huge weekly candle, basically engulf and what's it called? Just nullified the previous candle on the left. So I expect that momentum to continue now. That's the momentum I'm looking at. Yes, lower time frame, 1 hour, I guess. The momentum for bullish sentiment was high. However, yeah, I'm waiting for the weekly to continue bearisher, basically.
Yeah, New. I think you mean 168,840. I see that.
TP.
I think the clear ones are here, right?
16755. Yeah, it's a very good TP.
167.5. Right, actually, these lows exactly. Maybe, yeah. Of course, we don't know. Like, we can't predict it, really, can we? But
What? I can't predict it. What? What'd you say? Excuse me. Is that a challenge?
it's a challenge.
Is that
I
a
mean,
challenge,
we
brother?
both have just predicted it, but you know, I can
It's a
imagine that
challenge.
getting taken. Then we continue upwards.
Mhm.
I'm just really opposed to this 165 move right now. I think we need one final grab.
165 move. It might not happen. You're right, but there's a chance. That's why I'm
But yeah,
taking it.
what were you saying about the weekly?
Suspicious.
There's too much stuff on the screen.
So auspicious.
What, the weekly suspicious?
Yeah. Hey. Still not entered on Bitcoin yet, unfortunately. Still waiting. It looks like I'll be waiting for quite a while here. Bitcoin entries around 20,000. Continuation back down to 1,700. What's happening to oil? Should be pushing up. It reached that target actually. It reached my target for oil, so it's pretty good.
Right,
I didn't trade it, though.
Yeah. I see the sells on a weekly. Like, if this was a 15-minute chart, I would actually be looking for sells, but I would be waiting for the break of 165 before deciding it.
Yeah, all I'm saying is I see this massive liquidity grab on the weekly level here.
Yeah.
And just reject, basically bullish sentiment now stepped in here
Yeah.
in the weekly.
Now, we were talking about this for ages, and that has happened, to be fair.
hmm
On this time frame, I agree. 15-minute, I don't. But you
Fair
can
enough.
say the higher time frame is more important. Initially, I was
yeah.
looking for longs, but I think we'll eat the
Although the-
lows, 1675, I think.
The lower time frame is the building blocks of
Of
all
course,
the
yeah.
things, all the time frames. Initiatives. Lows, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call that greedy. I mean, as long as
Depends on your stop loss, whether you're being greedy
yeah,
or not.
exactly, yeah.
Are you actually up, like, let's say 5R, 4R,
So I'm currently
2R?
yeah. So I'm moving to break even soon because I'm almost up 1R for the lot that I've put on, the lot I got activated on. Not my account, just the lot I got activated on. But yeah, that's because I'm moving to break even. Because I do see Adeel's point here. There is a chance that we continue rallying. Because look at that, it's generated liquidity or manufactured liquidity perfectly with with equal highs over here.
Mm.
So there's a chance that we continue rallying. But I got best of both worlds. If we
Right.
continue rallying, I'm out of break even. But if we continue pushing back down, then obviously I get that W as well. So best
Yeah.
of both worlds here for myself.
That's true, you secured. Plus, it wasn't like it's a full position.
No.
My mouse keeps playing. Oh,
169,500.
D-Rally.
D-Rally. Did I say D-Rally?
I didn't notice. Yeah, let's say if I do get my buys here, stop us below here somewhere. As soon as it takes these highs, I'll most likely be at break even. If
What are you
not break even, I'll trail it to the candle lows because
Probably looking-
obviously price can come back.
Should I be looking too long now, to be honest?
Yeah, after this candle now.
Yeah, I
After this
thought so.
30-minute candle closes.
It's looking too long here.
As long as it's a strong close in this 15-minute, I'll be looking. The way I see it, we've had enough liquidity grabs now.
We should be looking for buy side at that point, to be fair. So, by the way, the buy side liquidity is basically perfectly on my stop loss. So we could grab liquidity and I'd be absolutely destroyed and continue back down. We'll see.
This one here, the Asia highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, real Asia highs are 169, 100. How would the 50? Well, either like this now, like a doji more on the bullish side, or just strongly bullish. Long story short, either rejecting the bearish side or just closing strongly on the bullish side.
Which is also rejecting the bearish side.
Yeah.
Both things, yeah. And you're gonna hold runners this time, yeah?
Oh yeah, for sure. Like I said, I'm basing the rest of the week on Monday. And Monday, of course, it just kept running. Price kept going up.
I agree with that sentiment, but we can't just keep rallying because of Monday. Do you know what I mean? We will run out.
Of
Markets will run
course.
out of fuel if we keep doing that.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
not
you
every
say the
single,
same. You
not
say the same
every
thing for
single
sales as
day.
well. If it's sold, you
Yeah,
continue
yeah.
rallying as well.
If I
Oh,
sold
right,
as well,
okay,
I would do the same thing.
okay, got you. I thought it was just bullish.
Flat lows, but new, my friend. The reason we pay attention to flat lows, I know you're probably more experienced here, so let me know what you think. But I think the reason we look at flat lows in the first place is because of the idea of support, and we're saying lots of people are buying there. But these just got made. How many people are really looking to buy here?
At least 20 million.
That's the way I look at it. It's like, or even sellers. Sellers, if there were any, they got activated already on the taking of these lows, these lows, these lows. But like I said before as well, we've got further to push into the fair value gap. So I'm going to be looking to manage the trade quickly. Like closing
Also, I have an
out
answer for you why it's moving a bit slowly and why it's not impulsively pushing back down. It's because the institutions aren't awake yet. How about
That's a good point.
that?
That's a good point.
But once institutions are awake, I can imagine it rallying back up first. By the way, I'm a break even, boys. Before London Open, I can imagine it rallying a little bit back up, but I don't expect it to break those highs anymore. To be honest, I can't lie. I don't expect it to break those highs. I do expect it to continue rallying down. That's just me being biased though, because obviously I have sells and my stop loss is at those highs. So yeah, that's just me being biased.
Oh yeah, this candle's about to close nicely.
Yeah, he does have ICT concepts. He does have ICT concepts.
Yeah,
His
it's a
strategy.
mix of price action and smart money, which is
Mine's
sort of the same thing.
volume and liquidity. Mine, that's I would base mine literally solely on volume and liquidity. That's the type of trader I am.
Alright, yeah, on this next candle I'll be buying. I'm just gonna either on the break of this high here, or I want to wick down and then push up. I'll let you guys know when I've entered.
There shouldn't be a delay, anyways. So. Crypto, please push up. It's pushing up a little bit. Lovely stuff.
Alright, we're getting a wick down first. This is good. Entry will be on the break of this high, stop loss below the low. Let's just put it on now. Oh my god, it's so intense, isn't it?
I love how we go silent when you're about to get into just like.
It's just annoying because obviously when I'm entering on here, I can't see the chat. That's why I go silent.
Don't worry, I can let you know.
But
Adeel's trade is trash. Adeel, you're trash at trading, bro.
Wow.
Bro. They're violating you, bro. I can't
Wow.
lie. Gee.
Oh my god. New brother. Nah, I can see the chat. I can see the chat.
Oh.
I know. See what Mark's trying to do. Yeah, this is lovely stuff. Getting a bottom wick first. Ooh, this is even better. 5 minute.
Oh, don't worry. Me and Adeel could say like we just roast each other. So. Except if he actually loses, or if I actually lose, then off limits on it.
No, what he trades. It's calm. It's calm.
Well, clearly it's your first time in this in this live.
Yeah, for sure.
Clearly your first time, brother. Yeah. Oh! He joined the bandwagon, bro.
Oh.
What's this toxic behavior?
What colour
What
is
is
your
this-
chart, Samuel? What colour is your chart, man? I don't know how many people get that joke. I don't know if
Nah,
I
I
should keep
don't.
doing
Nah,
it.
most guys would get that joke. I don't know though. Most guys would. What colour's your Ford?
What colour is your Suzuki Swift? Come on, man. See, I could be ballsy and try and get a smaller stop loss by literally waiting for this high and then stop loss below here, which is something I am considering right now.
Gotta remember this. Adeel is going against us right now, so it's us versus him at the moment. So everyone,
It literally
Full-
is us versus
full
him.
margin sell right now. Get him tapped out, and then you can take your profits out and continue pushing up. Full margin sell, boys.
Yeah, stop loss I'm gonna have at 408. A little lower because we've got that bottom wick already. I'm a little less worried.
Let's see if he continues banging trades from yesterday. I can imagine it though. I can imagine it. Gonna be
Yeah, I'm
insane.
liking the pattern. That's what I'm liking.
If you get a banging trade like that 2 in a row, literally called what, like 300 pips or something? It was about 200 or something.
Yeah.
Let me check. Let me check out my.
Done for the week. 100% win rate, 2 trades, but
Hey, that's what I do.
just for the flex.
200 pips. That's what I do. But that's because I only get 2 trades in a week, realistically.
Shall I sell on my £1 trillion accounts? The market dries down.
Trillion.
Oh, bro.
Yes. Absolutely, bro. After that, do you mind donating?
Yeah.
At least like, $1 million. And we're not asking for much. Just $1 million from that $1 trillion account, just so we can grow it. You know.
Just a percentage, brother. Come
Yeah.
on.
You do not need to call. You do not need to ask what color his chart is. We know
Yeah.
it's a good color.
That's what we still
Okay, we're
have.
looking
What
at
if I did this?
crypto still pushing up a little bit, which is pretty good. Gold still hasn't retraced up though. We are building a lot of liquidity. Not a fan.
Let's see. Yesterday, the candle lows get broken. No, they were respected.
We hear intense music every time you like enter a trade. Intense.
Yeah. Do I look really worried on the call?
No, not at all. I don't know. Some like
Yeah, we do need music, man. It's tricky doing it at the same time. I mean, you
Let me
could
see if-
play it.
see if we could get rights to
What's that
Yeah.
sound? What's that website called? Epidemic Music.
Yeah, but I have to share my screen on and then yeah, share my screen share sound as well. Effort. Effort. I have music on right now for myself, so
What a selfish guy.
yeah, well, you know me.
He's just
I'm not in trading for nothing. Trading is one of the most selfish industry there is. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
I haven't
Name a
en-
more.
By the way,
No,
guys, I haven't
sorry.
entered
Yeah,
yet.
he hasn't entered yet.
I'm waiting for this high to get broken.
Name a more selfish industry than forex trading or trading in general.
I mean, I wouldn't say trading selfish anyway.
Would you not?
Why is it selfish?
You're literally out for yourself. That's it.
I mean, that's everything, though.
Nah, it's charities.
It's like I was saying the other day: buying and
Charity.
selling shoes, buying and selling
Boxing. Oh well, yeah, that is true. That is also quite a selfish one.
boxing.
That is true. You know what? That is a good point. I never thought about boxing as a
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Chess.
chess.
If we're mentioning one-on-one sports, chess.
Boxing, I would agree. Boxing, chess, not really.
What's the difference between chess and boxing when it comes to selfish?
With chess, you are the only time you win if someone loses money. Chess, I mean, yeah,
Wait,
it's
wait,
not
wait,
like you're
wait,
losing
wait.
money though.
Wait, what?
The only time you win in trading if someone else loses money.
No, but I mean, we're talking about boxing.
In boxing, well, the only thing you can win is by beating the other guy up.
And that's basically chess. If by beating the other guy.
No, but it's not like damage. You know what I mean? Boxing is
It's-
physical
bro,
damage.
It's emotional damage.
Trading is emotional and financial damage. Also, GJ is melting.
Trading is mental and financial damage.
Boxing is physical and
chess
mental. To be
is-
fair,
Chess is emotional damage.
emotional
is-
damage.
To be fair, boxing I can imagine being everything.
Yeah, financial.
Imagine
as
getting beaten up in front of your wife, bro.
well. Imagine getting beaten up and not getting paid for it.
Oh yeah.
Logan Paul.
Oh yeah, true. Mayweather finessed him.
Yeah, Mayweather finesse him. I reckon Deji might do the same thing, bro.
And I think the British guys do it smart. They ask for the prepayment or something like
Oh,
that.
do they? Do they get paid money up front?
In the whole Austin McBroom fight, only Anees and Gibb and Deji asked for their payment up front or something like that.
I think Anees Gibb got wrecked the first time, didn't he? Like, he didn't get paid for the first time. That's
Yeah,
why he was
something
like, "Oh, give it."
Have any of you guys heard about the whole Deji versus Mayweather thing?
Of course they have, bro. Of course they have.
Bro, I can't lie, man.
Of course they
gonna
have,
be
bro. Everyone has. I reckon he'll get knocked out, honestly. Mayweather's old, but like Deji is.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking he's old, but he's taking care of his body, so it doesn't matter how old he is.
Yeah.
And he's still, obviously, greatest of all time, some would say. 50.
Dude, Deji, absolutely, bro. Absolutely.
Yeah, Deji, bro. Like,
Deji.
Mayweather's got no chance. It's the fact they even managed to allow Mayweather to fight such a great fighter like Deji. It's crazy.
Experience beats skills all day. If you think, well, I wouldn't say that though, because if we say that, I have to acknowledge Jake Paul's victory against the other experienced fighters, and I really don't want to do that, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't want to acknowledge the fact that he's actually
you gotta rate it though. You gotta rate
he's
it.
good. I don't want to acknowledge that he's actually a good fighter, but he's good. I mean, like a great fighter, like he says he is.
He's good, but I don't want to acknowledge he's good. Bro, he's good.
It's early in the morning, bro. UFC fighters, that is true. If you put them in a ring and oh, bro, GG.
That's
He
what
might actually get
apparently
cooked.
Logan and Andrew are doing. They're getting in the ring.
See, Logan's brave by doing that, though. To be fair,
Not in the ring, sorry, in the cage.
well, against Tate, Andrew Tate.
Apparently, they're gonna organize a MMA fight.
Well, to be fair, I feel like Logan would actually get an advantage slightly because he did wrestling.
Yeah,
and
that's
UFC is mostly, to be fair, like
But-
takedowns and wrestling.
But Andrew can use his kicks, and
Andrew
Logan
can use
has
his
like
kicks.
no influence there really.
And to be fair, Andrew Tate, I would say, is probably a better boxer than Logan. We haven't seen him though. Tate's ego is
Yeah.
massive. That is true, and I hate that. I hate it. Also, my phone's gone, so I'm not entering any trades for today. Then it's behind my desk, and I'm not getting my phone. No trades. It's a sign.
Wait, what happened? You lost it.
Yeah, I put my laptop like lid up, and I forgot my phone was up there.
That's the issue because obviously Tate's brand is built on being that guy.
Yeah.
So if he gets in the ring with Logan and he loses, that's everything gone. Unless it's a really close fight, tough fight, it goes, let's say, 6 rounds, then it's different, but he's risking getting knocked out, getting memed, getting put on a highlight reel. It's a risky move.
Well, as he said though, he doesn't need money, so he's not doing this for the money. He's not doing it for the clout
That's
because
the thing.
apparently he's more popular than
He's-
Logan Paul.
yeah.
So what is he doing it for?
He's got
personal
every
beef with
reason.
Logan? Like,
He's got every
why?
reason to not do it. Like he could get away with not having that fight, and the world would still.
It shows he's confident in himself, though. To be
Because-
fair, if he's taking that fight,
yeah.
he's confident.
That's the thing. Like I think he was saying, he goes, "I've got money. I'm already pretty famous, more than Logan." He would say.
I'm not a Tate stan, but I don't hate him, but I don't like how the way he speaks.
Yeah.
Honestly.
No, but I'm talking about the fight, and
Yeah.
how,
As a
like,
fight, I reckon
he could
to be
get
fair-
away easily with
Yeah.
not taking that fight. Like it's not. No one's gonna
But,
be,
yeah.
"Oh, you pussy," because he's had 90 fights or something.
That, or he's a little bit too broke because he couldn't sell his courses because he got taken off YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
It's one or the other. It's one or the other, to be honest. And he wouldn't sell his cars because if he sells one of his cars, then it's it shifts from his persona of absolutely be a baller.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure he's still got money. I think he's even got a new thing starting now. Guys,
I mean, he's got other
obviously,
business courses,
no
but
buys
it's,
now.
honestly, his courses seems to be one of his biggest, like, money.
It was, yeah, but I think that got taken down.
Because he said that was part, like, one of his. He didn't say that, but I assume his net worth is tied up mostly due to the company of like him selling courses. And he says the way he says it shows that he is alluding to the fact it is the courses that he sells.
Oh, he definitely made a lot of money from it. He never
Oh,
admits
yeah.
it. He always said it's like a side income, but
No, he
I,
makes
don't know,
most.
I
of it.
respect the guy. Apart from a couple of things, I respect most of the things he says. So can't lie. I think he's a
I wouldn't
good.
say
I
respect.
think for the most part, he's a good role model.
I wouldn't
Compared
say
compared
that.
to a lot of the rappers that are mainstream now, a lot of the other role models that are the alternatives. Because it's one or the other. Let's not forget that. If he's not there, it's going to be someone else. In comparison, there's a benefit to having him.
You need a role model like that, anyways. Like
No, but-
honestly,
yeah, but
you got
that's
a
not
bad
what I'm
start in
saying.
life.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying in comparison.
If you were to choose, yeah, if you were to choose.
If I had to choose between him
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
XYZ, probably.
Like, think of a rap. Well, who's a rapper that has the worst? Is a worse thing.
They're funny though, because all the rappers talk about sex, drugs, money. Nowadays, it's stabbing people, especially in the UK, and they're glorified. So it's a bit weird, isn't it?
To be fair, I don't listen to that many raps anymore, so I don't really. I've
Me
got no
neither,
say in
but
this.
like, it's
I've
you
got
know.
no say in this. If he loses, top G is now little G. Bottom G, you mean? Bot G.
Yeah, he's bottom G, bro. Bot G. Well,
There'll be so many memes, I can't lie.
yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I've got a feeling that fight's not gonna happen.
No, it won't. It's more publicity than anything.
KSI Jake Paul will happen. I want to see that.
At the end of the day, Logan's trying to promote his new drink Prime, which apparently got sold to Coca-Cola
Apparently.
for like $1 billion or something. So they're both like, hold on, let's see. Was Prime sold?
The lines on your chart. Oh, that's funny.
It's 5.6 billion.
You know why
Jeez.
that's funny? Because I don't even normally have this. I normally have actual black lines. Go like this. I guess I sensed your OCD, bro. Through the chart.
I thought you were supposed to have OCD. There's all the deals going on here.
I used to. It used to be quite
Yeah,
bad.
you used to. Fixed now.
We fixed the OCD.
Uni fixed you. Uni
Yeah.
fixed you.
Uni's like, fuck it. Oh no, it's too much to manage. That's not how I'm meant to do. I'll do half and half, Samuel, for you. There you go. Or we'll do. To be fair, a good way of doing it is.
This could be a big liquidity grab for you, to be honest.
Yeah, the more it goes down, the more I'm liking the buys. I can't lie.
Yeah, it is looking like a huge liquidity push for you.
Plus,
Although we
it's
we
like
had a
yesterday.
huge push pre-London, right? So what's probably going to happen during London? We're probably going to honestly push up.
Plus,
Unfortunately,
yeah,
as I hate to say it, we're probably going to push up during London.
it would line up with yesterday because yesterday I had those original buys, which I closed at
Yeah.
break even. Then
Yeah.
price pushed down one last time, then we pushed up. So if we're getting a repetition of that, it'll be perfect.
Mm.
Saying that, how's it closing? Yeah, I want to see another candle, one more. That'll line up with London Open too. Yesterday our buys were bang on London Open.
It was. It
So,
was. It works out quite perfectly for you.
let's see what happens on the charts.
To be fair, my chart's quite messy at the moment. I might actually fix this. Too many boxes.
How's this for OCD?
I hate messy charts. Did you, Sam, did we ask you how long you've been trading for? I know you say...
His OCD's gone, bro. We're curing your OCD today.
No, bro, what you do?
It's good.
Even this pisses me off too, and I don't even like OCD.
Nah.
What's going on here?
It
I
does
hate
me
messy
too.
charts. I can't lie. Messy
Yeah.
charts is what like. Did we ask how long you've been trading for? Because I think you said you're on your way, but how long you been trading for? I think you pushed them away the OCD. 2 years now. Ah, not bad, not bad. 2 years is decent. 2 years is decent. 1 year live trading. So you're doing a whole demo for a whole year. That takes
Oh,
like
mad.
that takes what's it called? Self control.
Did you have a mentor or someone who told you that?
ICC tells everyone to like do 1 year, doesn't he?
Oh yeah.
Surely.
Oh yeah, I forgot to ask. Like, what's your trading style, Samuel? Is it liquidity too?
It's gonna be smart money, bro.
Do you reckon?
Honestly, I hate smart money traders.
Wow.
Honestly,
Wow.
I hate smart money traders.
Why?
Bro, I looked at this
This
comment.
man
right?
trades
bro,
liquidity. This guy.
Bro,
yeah,
this
he
this
trades
okay, look
liquidity.
at this, bro. I screenshot this comment yesterday. It was just this guy talking about just a Fibonacci, right? I don't agree with
Wait,
Fibonacci,
where was
right?
this on Instagram?
What? Yeah, on Instagram, yeah. So it was just a guy talking about the future, like he's looking at forecasting, okay? Alright, he's talking about forecasting gold, what could happen next. And this guy is like, where is it? If you want to keep losing money, listen to this bullshit. What about demand zone, order blocks, volume accumulation, liquidity flow, etc. XD.
Wait. So you hate
just
all
wants-
of smart money because of this one guy?
He just wants to sell his private signal group. Haha, stupid. Bro, I know I don't agree with Fibonacci, right? I don't get it. I don't agree with it either. There's room and places for Fibonacci, but nah.
Where you at?
I can imagine most, not all of them, obviously, not all smart money traders, but most smart money traders are probably thinking that in their heads, like, oh, this guy's stupid, he doesn't trade fair value gaps and whatever.
Maybe
and, like,
the new ones. I don't know. I don't think you can say that based on one person.
I will, anyways. I have freedom
It's
of
sort of
speech.
assuming everyone's like close-minded.
Nah, screw you, all smart money traders. Then again, though, I do trade liquidity.
Yeah.
So.
You trade liquidity. I'm sure there's a clip of you in the past saying, if you don't trade liquidity, what you do?
There is.
I've definitely done that too.
There is 100%.
We literally got an Insta video saying that.
There is 100% saying if there's a clip of me somewhere, if someone finds it, if you don't trade liquidity, then you're gonna struggle with trading.
That's it. No, what do you mean? Which low are you on about?
Grey area. What's he talking about?
I don't like
ICT
that
stuff
low.
is it takes a while to learn. Although people have their own twist on it, though. That's what annoys me. People take their own twist on it, and then, well, yeah,
Yeah.
you just take it as this. And then their pupils are going around in people's comment section going, "You're never gonna be profitable."
Yeah. To be honest, one day I'm gonna make a video just explaining everyone I've been influenced by in trading. And then from that point onwards, no one can say I'm copying, doing this or that.
Yeah. The only
Because
time
mine's a mix and match I've made myself. It's a little potion.
I do agree. Time is important. I've started to put that onto my own trading. Actually, I'm slowly incorporating the whole time aspect into my own trading.
Yeah. Like the one thing that's really, I think, unique to me that I never learnt off anyone else is the whole Monday, Tuesday pattern thing. Where I noticed how Tuesday and Monday, they usually have very similar price action.
Is that an
But then
order block
Wednesday,
you have
Tuesday,
on
Thursday,
there?
Tuesday.
Is that an order block you marked on there? Is that a fair value?
Yeah,
gap?
it's a point of interest. Same
Point
thing,
of
order block.
Too many names, bro. Too many names. Too many names.
I mark it on just to be aware of it, but I'm not waiting for price to get there.
It's good to be known.
Another thing, obviously, we've got the FVG, the fair value gap.
That's a big fair value gap, to be fair.
That's it. Normally, in terms of the algorithm, quote unquote, they look at the 3 minute. You say, where's price looking on the 3 minute?
Yeah, fair value gap. Which one? There's so many. But the thing is, I think there is a certain ones that you use. So if there's liquidity generated just above it or below
That's
it,
yeah.
that's something you use. If it's maybe a certain time, maybe they use that into consideration, and they use the daily bias into consideration.
Yeah, that's it. You sound like Michael now. Yeah,
Adeel.
I'm pretty
Adeel
sure
got
that's the way ICT said it. He said, if you have a fair value gap and there's liquidity above or below, that's what you want to target. And obviously,
I understand
in the discount as
smart
well.
money. Don't get me wrong. I understand smart money. I just don't use it. Just don't use it. I don't use fair values and orders and order blocks and stuff. I'm sure I could use it in my own trading. I think it's too stubborn to use it because it's such an effective way to trade, and I like the hard way of trading.
I reckon we'll get Michael on a podcast one day.
Oh, maybe. Grow enough.
The Enigma podcast, he's gonna be on there.
We'll pay him. Go like, look, buddy. How much? How much for 1 hour of your time?
No, pay him. We turn up at his house, bro. Like, bro. Wait, we're having a conversation.
Okay, so yes, but okay, so I bought a course not because I wanted to learn it, but because I wanted to see what's inside a course. I bought Astro FX course. It was $1,000, which is a grand waste of money, to be honest.
I paid 3,000 for a year's like group thing where they were always posting videos, and there was a course included, but it was a group membership thing too. But I never became. I learned a lot from there, and I should have became profitable from there, but I personally wasn't ready, so I didn't end up becoming from that group. I don't know if you've heard of the Vipers. You probably haven't. They're not that big yet.
No, yeah, they're marketing experts. A lot of the courses people sell, they're literally good for marketing.
Yeah.
Although there are some value you can find in each. I
Oh yeah,
can't lie,
no.
there
The
is
group
some
I
sort
was
of value
in
in
was
everything.
amazing. The group I was in was
Yeah.
amazing. Like in terms of the people were genuine. It's just yeah.
I do believe in free
Astro too.
education, free information though. Astro is a marketing expert for sure. Like, I don't. From Astro actually. Think about
There's a guy who used to work at Astro.
and expose Astro for the scam that they are.
Yeah, he exposed them for being scammers, and then he did well. I've met him in person too, so decent guys. It basically, technically, yeah, spin-off. Spin-offs on spin-offs, bro. That's what the industry is now. Spin-offs on spin-offs.
It literally is, yeah.
Speaking of ICT, like.
Lost.
Oh no, Lack, bro. I remember that
Who's Lack?
guy.
Who's Lack?
He was
Never
one
heard
of
of
the first traders to blow up on Instagram.
No way, let me hear. Let me see.
But-
Did he get banned yet? Anyone know his IG? I want to see.
I don't know if he was a scammer or not, but he was one of the first ones that blew up.
Thought I could be a millionaire in a day. Jeez, we all had that. Nah, to be fair, I can't lie. I never thought I could be a millionaire. I knew it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, same.
Because I wouldn't say I'm a logical person, but I thought about it logically. I'm like, well, if it's so easy, wouldn't everyone be a millionaire? And then I was like, oh, it's gonna be hard then. I have to set myself apart from some way, somehow.
Yeah.
And then proceeded to watch every single video that everyone else has watched, so it didn't work out too well at the start, but at the end it worked out for me.
Yeah. With me, I was relatively, my standards were relatively normal, but like, always a little bigger than everyone else's. Like for
Bigger than
example,
mine,
when
yeah,
I
for
first
sure.
started, I said 50k within a year, I'm gonna do it. And then I didn't do it. Then a couple months later, I was like, in 3 months, I'm gonna make 100k. But then every time I failed, it sort of, my standards became a bit more logical. Like still
Except for the
having
first
big
ones.
goals,
Yeah.
still having massive goals, but the time horizon was different.
Oh, Greg, second guy, the one that says, I have my trading,
Oh my
trading
God,
thing
bro.
for this car that I bought, this Rolls Royce that I
No,
bought.
it's the gardener, bro. He goes, hey guys.
Yeah, the same guy. It's the same guy. Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
teach my gardener today.
Hi, Greg Secker here.
Wait, is that how you spell the second name?
I think so. Yeah.
Are you guys just saying that to take the piss? I swear it's,
No, I think that's like, yeah.
I swear it's Seka.
Secker? Nah, Secker.
I don't know. He looks like a magician. The way the guy dresses, it's like
Bro,
some sort of old school
his ads
magician.
do piss me off. Although it is interesting. I watch every single forex ad I get. By the way, guys, unless I've seen it already, I watch it. I watch every single one. I just want to see how how unrealistic their promises are.
Yeah,
It's hilarious.
smarmy. Is that the word? Is that what I'm trying to say with the whole magician thing?
Smarmy. Let me. uh,
The collar popped. You know, got the waistcoat on. It's like, what the hell?
brother.
Have you seen the guys with candlestick charts? Nah, I haven't seen that one.
Yeah, excessive.
Oh,
Excessive.
maybe he's on
I
about
haven't seen it.
G7. Are you on about G7?
Candlestick. Oh yeah, no, Narav, NV,
You know, Rab, I like his stuff.
NV. He uses candlesticks though. That's hilarious.
I don't know if it was actually him he's on about that. He might not be on about
I think it is. It is. Yeah, he uses candlesticks as well though.
The thing is, Sam, with him, I've seen those videos too, but he was an actual institutional trader in the banks.
NV got found out to be fake.
Nah,
Lol.
really?
Probably. I'm just making it up, but I bet you did.
By who knew? We need some.
And-
We need some.
I
we
bet
need some
you
hard
took
facts.
Barclays off his bloody like not Indeed. What's it called?
I guess that's the only way I can imagine him getting found out.
There's some YouTube. There's some YouTube vids. Well, which YouTube video do I trust? Him?
That's it. Because I saw one, I was like, but how do I know?
I watch him his videos. He does have some. I bet he banks with Lloyds now. He got off Barclays. He got banned off Barclays, bro.
Just straight up going.
He banks with Monzo, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. He got banned from Lloyds too. He's
a
with Monzo.
monster, though, bro.
Where he got banned from all of them. Trust me.
I mean, if we're talking
NatWest wouldn't
key
even
levels,
accept him anymore. NatWest wouldn't accept him.
yeah, technical key level here. I don't really look at key levels.
Why? Key levels are important, bro.
In that case, it is bouncing off and just. The way I see it, though, you could say the key level's here. You could also say it's here.
Crypto, I haven't checked it in a while. It has gone up. It's gone up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I bet if I click on my YouTube video now, I'm gonna get Greg Secker as an ad now. Shall we check?
They're good for TP, Samuel. Mark looks a lot more at psychological than me.
Psychological level. I use them as good for entries because, in theory, here's my point of view on it. Why would anyone just enter at random price anyways, right? I enter at round numbers most of the time, and sometimes I take profits in round numbers, but very rarely. It's more entry for me. Psychological's level work for me, 100%. For me personally, it works how I use it. But yeah, it depends on what type of trader you are. I didn't get my ramen yesterday, by the way. I got too busy.
Didn't get it.
Nah.
So the day was wasted.
I'm gonna get what's it called, soup, dumplings, and ramen.
Nice.
I might make them fresh actually, although they take time. I ain't got time right now.
So those flat lows got taken. The ones the news was on about.
Let's go, new.
We're leaving behind FVG.
Fudger.
The Fudger. We got so much target.
You mean the Delta block?
Oh yeah, that's true. The Delta block.
Delta block. We're renaming everything, boys.
Guys, we've got this Delta candle right now. Before London Open. Doesn't look like I'm getting my buys yet. Still not getting them. Unless this candle wicks up loads.
It's like 168. 168 is the level I was looking at to June, mainly due to psychological level, and 2 is because it's there's levels around 168. If only my stop loss was 2 pips rather than 150. I would be up 100. 100%. Oh well. How long is it? We're normally live till 9. Till 9. Normally.
Let's say minimum half 8 usually.
Yeah. Just because yeah, we have stuff to do. Well, Adeel has stuff to do. He's got uni.
Oh yeah, I appreciate that, Samuel.
Thank you, brother.
I'll just say that would have been a great short Adeel stop on the 15-minute. Really? What, on which candle? Oh, you mean
to grab the
the flat lows?
Yeah. Flat lows, isn't it? Equal lows. What's going on?
I don't know.
There's too many names, bro. Too many names getting shot at me.
Equal lows.
Equal lows. Okay.
What do you reckon? On this here, new? On this, the Delta block right here.
I call it flat. Yeah, I mean it makes sense. It is flat, so.
Yeah, it could make sense to be fair. You had the slow retracement upwards. I guess.
We're in a big Delta block right now, boys. What should I name after myself then? Let's see. I'm gonna wait. Psychological levels are now called Mark levels.
Oh, he's basically saying where I was meant to enter if I just sold there.
Yeah.
Relatively equal lows. Yeah, there you go.
Relative equal lows to Michael. Let's go, Michael.
Or
To be fair, if you don't know where else to learn trading, ICT is probably one of the best places, if not the best place to do it. In YouTube for free, I'd say.
Yeah, if you just go through his mentorship, that one he released.
Yeah. I've been trading for 4 years though, so I can't really change up my entire style just off one video, like a few series that he should. So, unfortunately. Oh, I can still learn. I still add stuff onto it. But... yeah, that's. Oh, you turned camera. Goodbye.
God.
Bye. I still can't believe I missed that Bitcoin trade though. It was literally perfect entry. I don't know why I missed it or what was the reason why I missed it, but I did miss it, and I need to find out. Where's another? I could have entered after missing it. Look at the hour time frame. Also, does anyone know the fundamental news why Bitcoin collapsed? Because as Anu was saying, dollar should have been gaining what should have been weakening. So in theory, Bitcoin should have kept pushing up, right? But it collapsed. Does anyone know why? Apparently, there was a talk with Elon Musk speaking about it or something. I'm not too sure though. Because Ethereum dropped too, so I'm guessing it's a whole crypto talk thing. Well, actually, all crypto dropped. What about Doge? Did Doge keep? Nah, Doge dropped as well. I got out of Doge peaks this time. Let's go.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
what was that whole Elon Musk thing about?
Heavily manipulated. I agree. I agree. BTC is heavily manipulated. Although it shows that, look, technical and fundamental, like for me, technical works better than fundamentals. I think about fundamentals quite a bit, but I prioritize technical over it, as I am a technical trader. And to be fair, the market is speculative as a whole now, so I don't know. It's just easier to worry about technicals. To get an overall bias, though, I think it's good to look at fundamentals as well in the long run. Cool. Yeah, GJ is dropping to 168. 168. I can't really take partials though, because again, I didn't get not all my entries got activated, so I can't take partials here. I just have to keep moving to break even and just keep moving my stop loss.
And it's just like, would you have taken partials if you were in the full trade?
I would have,
There
but
you
I'd
go.
be. Yeah, I know, but like, I'm not losing much. I'll tell you that now. I'm only up like 100.
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, that's nothing. I might as well keep the whole positions. I think in the long run it's better.
Fair enough.
Do you use the same concepts for cryptos as you do FX for commodities? A little bit, but I have more emphasis on volume for crypto because crypto volume is harder to hide than FX. I don't know how to explain it, but that's how I've come across it. So I use the VWAP and volume profile a bit more prominently than Forex. In Forex, I use mainly levels because levels are more than enough to get you through in trading, to be honest, in FX. If you know which levels to pick out, obviously that's a hard bit, but levels are more than enough to get you into profitable. But crypto, there's too much manipulation, so I use volume into account more. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know how easy it is to. I don't know an easy way to explain what I do.
What did you say? You use volume more in crypto?
Yeah, I use volume and volume more in crypto. So I use indicators more in crypto, basically. I can teach you for how I trade Bitcoin if you want to.
Oh, GJ.
I am going to
Okay.
start recording a course that I can just post on YouTube.
Mm.
Free education over here, boys. I'm not going to compete with ICT, but I'll compete with the other ones that are paid
Yeah.
for free.
Okay, now we really are in this key level.
Yeah, I see that. We are really digging into that, but we have rejected it quite well, quite a lot.
To be fair.
I mean, London Open kind of dead. Can't lie.
See,
Really dead.
what could be happening right now is, if you see how yesterday, before we came into the session, price had very slow price action in one direction.
Yeah. Should I?
And then new London session retraced a little bit, then it continued that same direction. That could be happening right now, where we've
Potentially.
come into the session, slow price action, had a little pullback, but then price just continues.
Yeah,
But
potentially.
like I said, this is why I wait for my candle confirmations and I don't trade straight off these order blocks. Right now, it could go either way.
Should I call out ICT? Do Robin's Cup with them?
Mhm.
I'll do it next year. I actually would. I'll do Robin's Cup next year.
Yeah, do it. Honestly, just put when you put FTMO or smart money in your title, it normally just does pretty good.
I'll try to compete with him. I'll do the 5K to like how big did he do it? How much did he do the 5K to what?
Who? Roger Banks.
ICT. He did 5K to something. I don't know what it was. I think it was a mil, wasn't it?
I don't remember. London Open and Graveyard might go make some plantain and hard dough bread up there.
What? Wait,
Isn't plantain like Jamaican food? That's the
sounds
most
like
random thing I've ever heard, bro.
London is a graveyard, but I want to see what this is.
Might go make some plantain and hard dough bread.
It's like no, it's not sourdough. Sourdough and sourdough. You make bread? That'd be sick, you know. I want to learn to make bread too.
Mm.
Yeah, there's some. Yeah, everyone roasts ICT. Everyone roasts ICT for some reason. He's just popular now, right now. It's easy to hate on him because, like, well, he's doing quite well. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy. I don't want to be that guy. To be fair, there's no point in hating
the way to do it is like make your own following first, then call people out. Or if you do call someone out, just make sure you got loads of videos about you. You know.
Mm.
Otherwise, yeah.
You just look dumb.
It is
yeah,
obsessive.
Sure.
These guys look weird. All their videos are about hating on people. Don't understand it.
He's got a following. He does. He's fair play to him. Honestly, he deserves it. He's done really well for the community. He's not flashy. He's not, you know. He let his work speak for himself. He says backtest whatever he's saying. Don't take it for granted. Daniel Savage. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I remember that. Daniel Savage. Absolutely.
Of course, we
that
remember
guy. What? Who? The goat? The goat? Remember the goat?
The goat or Forex?
Jesus, bro. That guy was a different breed. What
Is
what
he still
video do I remember?
posting? Has he disappeared now?
I think he disappeared, to be honest. Life stumbled him down. I was really calling him goat, like calling himself goat, just looking at normal trading. Had a boot camp every other week probably, or like how many courses or whatever he
But
what's UC? What's UC?
Are you trying to say USD CAD or something else?
Nah, it's definitely not USD CAD.
That's what I'm thinking for UC.
Universal credit, oh god.
I was literally about to say that, but I was like, what the fuck? That's
Holy bro. That's hilarious.
He's cool.
Bro, I mean, he popped off for a bit, though. I can't lie, he popped off for a bit. He was one of the most popular traders for a while, wasn't he? Not for a while, for a blimp. He was one of the most popular ones. And he had beef with Raul, and then he just had. I think he had mental illness. Though,
I swear,
so
Raul is his cousin, though.
I don't know. Raul's smashing it. Raul's smashing it for
He's
sure.
killing it. They got their whole hedge firm podcast. They got this and that going.
It's got a hedge fund.
Not hedge firm, sorry, prop firm.
Prop firm.
And then that other guy, FX Alex G, is his cousin as well. But they've got a whole mafia thing going on there. I don't know what they did.
Honestly, I feel like most of these people's prop firms are absolutely just like scams. I have a bad feeling about these prop firms that keep popping up.
I haven't really looked at it, you know.
Who's your favorite trader? This is gonna garner a lot of hate, but Sean Lee is my favorite trader. I can't lie. I still like the guy. In terms of trading, still like the guy. Don't like him. Don't like his personality, but his trading style is pretty good.
I don't think.
Or Hannah FX, just because she's Filipino.
Yeah,
Hannah FX.
Hannah Forex. That's true. You gotta say Hannah, bro. Forget Sean Lee. What you did?
Yeah. Nah, Sean Lee's a sick trader though. I can't lie. He's off like the face of the earth now. But
trading wise, yeah, but I wouldn't call him my
trader.
favorite trader because he's got involved in the whole.
Not
scam.
yours, mine.
No, I'm just saying like I could never say that because of the whole scam thing he did. I would never.
Yeah,
do
true. I like watching random traders. The one that posts like a noob seems they're more legit. Yeah, they're the ones trying out there. That is true. The big marketing people I don't like too much. That's why I can kind of respect like Sean Lee. As soon as he got away from Astro Effects, he stopped marketing altogether.
Yeah.
He's also probably on Universal Credit right now in Thailand. So, Stacy Burke.
Never
Hold on.
heard of Stacy Burke.
Let's find out who this person is.
Be
Is that yours?
Be careful when searching this one.
Oh,
Stacey
honestly,
Burke.
actually, it sounds like a porn star.
And Stacey Burke, bro. What's this, Samuel?
Oh, she is. She is.
I knew it. I knew Samuel was on something, bro. It's too early for this, Samuel. What are you doing? Even new was like, I heard of it. Jesus.
I got baited. I can't lie. I got baited there. The thing is, she sounds like it as well, and I still was like, nah, she's probably legit, you know.
That was like the perfect time for your dad to walk in. Like,
Oh
bro,
my goodness,
what's going
bro.
on here, mate?
I have to go delete my history now, don't I? How do I do that?
You do. Yeah,
History.
GJ buys coming up. Perfect candle now. I'm liking this candle a lot.
Do a challenge. Type P on your search bar right now.
Yeah.
There's a real trader. There
Literally
is.
2 minutes
Oh,
left.
there is a real trader called Stacey Burke. Okay. Because I literally just went on it for like 2 seconds and I saw porn actress and I clicked off.
Wait, did it actually say that?
There was actually.
Oh, it actually said.
Yeah, there actually. Oh,
That's-
he's a guy. He's a bloke.
Oh. What were the odds of that happening though? What the hell? Anyway, yeah, GJ buys after this candle closes. Alright.
She's proper old school, legit. Linda something.
Okay, so it'll be the break of this high. Stop loss will be. I just said be careful. That's all I said.
No, to be fair, if you type in Stacey Burke, like literally, it would pop up as the first thing as the porn actress. So
Yeah.
I clicked off it straight away. I didn't see the trading bit.
Stop loss, I'm using the 1 minute. I'm going to have it below this low here. Because I'm assuming that price, if it does push up now, it won't return to this low. That's what I'm assuming.
To be fair, these traders are really the ones that you really need to be looking out for, like, because they're the ones that don't put money into marketing because they don't need to. They're only doing this just side income from YouTube ads, I guess. And two, they have something to share. So like, he's actually, I mean, it looks like he's pretty good. He doesn't put too much time in his thumbnails. Like, he's just a simple. You can tell that he focuses more on the trading aspect rather than the actual like how it looks and the click-through rate and stuff, which is amazing. Yeah, this guy he's pretty decent. I haven't watched his videos, but Adeel gonna be googling Stacey Burke from his campus, bro. For you, I don't think the Wi-Fi allows that. You know,
Yeah, it probably literally wouldn't.
the Wi-Fi's blocked it.
Yeah, this is below the key level 2.
Adeel's taking
15
buys,
minutes
boys.
Started.
That's my cue to shut up. There we go.
Save your Stacey Burke for the New York stream, you know.
Absolutely not. I will not be doing any Stacey Burks during New York. To tell you that now.
When everyone can see your screen as well.
Yeah, facts.
15 minutes. $16 pip stop loss. Thing is,
It seems like it though. To be fair, Samuel. Seems like he's got decent things to say. To be fair,
hello.
crypto is dropping. I don't want it to drop. I want you to push up one more time here. This equal high is created. I want it to grab that.
This is good.
Are we buying then a deal?
Is this a bottom wick or are we just gonna smash through again? I'm just
100
not gonna get
lots.
anything.
100 lot buys, boys, on GJ.
We are. Okay, at this point, stop loss will be wherever the low is here.
How much percentage do you guys target a month? I don't have a target for a month. Push too much pressure on myself. Don't need.
Me neither. Whatever
I
you
only-
get.
Yeah, I only target 10% when I'm doing a FTMO challenge. It's good to have a target, I guess, but I guess once once I need to really be making money, then I'll have a target because I need money to live off, right? But right now, since I don't really target much. Whatever I get, I get.
To be fair, what's his name?
On average, I don't make that much, like, percentage-wise. But I've got a big enough capital to be fine in terms of that.
Yeah, I don't have monthly targets either. To be fair, I think what's his name, Bilal, who's in the group. He has a 5% a week thing.
Oh, does he? Jeez. Bilal, where you at, man?
Yeah.
Probably
He
working,
targets that. It sounds a bit mad. 5%. I always said to him like,
That's a bit mad.
don't you think you're putting pressure on yourself? Like once you get FTMO, it'll be a bit techie.
Big Lambo, let's go. Thank you for joining the Discord.
Big Lambo.
Big Lambo.
Was that the name?
Yeah.
Big boy Lambos.
Samuel, have you joined the Discord?
Alright guys, we're getting this wake up now. This is actually perfect.
Yeah. I like news plugging the Discord for us. Thank you, New. Appreciate it. We don't have to look like a sellout.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining, Sam.
Oh, that's a good idea. Nu, you can be Discord.
No.
Nu, every stream you say it instead of us.
Yeah, exactly. It would be good to have it. We're just trying to recruit as many good traders as we can in this group right now,
Yeah.
and then we'll make plans later on for what to do.
Avengers Assemble, you know.
Exactly.
Where is my...
We have a few beginners over here, to be fair.
SL at break... What, for yourselves?
Hmm?
I guess. Samuel said SL at break even.
Yeah. Nice up, let's break even 2. And Adeel got blasted through once more. Unlucky Adeel. Call it a day, but
I haven't bought yet.
call it a day. I know. I meant like your stop loss would have got blasted. I mean, you didn't get entered, but
Oh yeah, obviously if I haven't entered then I don't care.
yeah, I know, yeah. Let's call it a day.
All I wanted was some buys on GK.
Yeah, market's bearish today, buddy. Step aside.
All I wanted was a trade and then I could
Let
go
the
off
real
the
men
stream.
handle the markets today.
Yeah, they weren't there yesterday, so it's okay. They needed to step in today.
The daily absolutely smashed it, bro, as well.
I swear, I remember you guys saying sales yesterday as well.
I was selling sales yesterday.
Yeah.
Me
Yeah,
and
the real men disappeared yesterday. Didn't they? What happened then? What? They were calling sales here. What happened then?
me and New got well, we didn't enter, but we would have got we got a bias wrong.
Yeah, I mean, Samuel, I normally have both ends. Like I look for sells and buys, but for sells,
Right now the liquidity's up there. Look at the double top.
yeah,
up there. The
for
liquidity's
sells,
back.
I wanted these highs to get taken, or these highs. Then I would look for my sells.
So cold. So bloody
So
cold.
I always have two sides, so I don't get fixated. But yeah, obviously we didn't get either. We did not get either.
There we go. I had to do it to him. The thing is, I think Big Lambo actually does have a Lambo as well, which is quite funny. I asked him on the Discord, "What color's your Lambo?"
Have you actually asked him that?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Gotta make an impression somehow, right?
True. Let's post a picture of himself. Purple, actually.
No, I think it's green. To be fair, I think it's bright green. I just checked his profile picture after checking it as well. He does actually. He has a picture that's still Lambo. It might be his. Where are you guys from? We are from England, UK. Woo. I was gonna say Woo Town, but people don't get Woo Town.
If you know where Worcestershire is in the UK. Well, obviously, I'm actually in Loughborough right now, below Nottingham. But
You're doxing us right now, brother. You're doxing us.
for what?
You're doxing us.
What do you mean?
Giving our location.
Are we gonna get stream sniped, yeah?
No, we're not getting treated like we're gonna get hacked.
swatted.
No, we're from UK. Basically, yeah, it's near Birmingham.
Where are you? Not over
Where are you
far
from?
me.
Imagine he's Worcester over like, oh
Nah,
gosh,
he just says California. Not too far, you know.
Cali, not too far then.
Not too far. Yeah, so I'm near
really?
Nottingham. Mark's near Birmingham. Let's just say that.
Yeah.
Where are you from, my friend?
Don't worry, we won't dox you. I don't even know what.
Brumtown, Guntown. Oh, okay, so you definitely know when you don't
Oh,
definitely, but you might know where
yeah.
Worcester is then.
Yeah,
He's a Brumme.
let's go.
I'm joking, yeah, Birmingham.
Nah, Birmingham City, to be fair. I go there quite a bit because there's some good places to eat in Birmingham. Some nice places to eat in Birmingham. I can't
Of
lie.
course. Yeah, well, I'm Asian, so I'm always there.
One, there's no Wagamamas here, and I love Wagamamas, so I go to Birmingham and Cheltenham. But yeah, we finally have a trader that's actually relatively close. Oh my god,
Yeah.
what's this? What is this?
Yeah, New's the other side for both of us.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Birmingham quite a lot. We have all our weddings there, food there, clothes shopping there. Obviously, it is Birmingham.
Clothes in Birmingham. Yeah. There's a Selfridges in Birmingham, isn't there? A small one, or is it relatively big?
Might be. It hasn't entered my budget yet, so I can't say. I can't say I've been looking on Google.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't get many UK traders. To be fair, people don't wake up what's it called? UK traders don't wake up for London Open. I can't lie, they don't. I don't know what it is.
I think they do, but they're just not on these trading view chats that much.
Maybe.
Or they're
getting more
just
people
less
from California.
likely to join the live streams.
Yeah.
Obviously, you got New.
Yeah, well, New is built different as well. To be fair, New is the definition of built different. If you look at the dictionary, you have a picture of just New, his profile picture right there, the G.
New's getting pissed off, right? He's like,
New's
shut
actually
up,
top
bro.
G.
What are you on about?
New is top G, bro. What are you talking about?
Literally
Top G.
Trade G. Trade G. The trade G.
As soon as New sees me in real life, he's gonna kick me in the face, probably.
Legit, bro. He slaps you in the face.
Probably would. Do a traders meet up, get slapped in the face. Who the hell are you?
The big G. The big G.
All the jokes are good. What isn't a joke though, the fact is New is a top tier trader. That isn't a joke. That's facts.
Big Lambo just showed up.
Wait, Big Lambo.
How many
Yeah,
people are watching? Maybe Big Lambo's watching right now.
Maybe. I asked him what color is Lambo, but he never replied to me, unfortunately.
What a way to introduce someone.
Hi. What color is your Lambo?
Oh yeah, what's his name? You want the Baz? How we
Yeah.
doing? My prediction fire. You eating good right now? Eating better than he says.
I don't mind. But it seems like he thought I took the trade because of him. I'm not too
Yeah,
sure.
no, I
if
just read that. I read
I'm
it
not
in
too
that
sure if
way
he
too.
thinks I took the trade because he said that, like, I'm 21. 21.
Same. I'm 21 too. You know the gold trade looks better on your charts. Like, way better.
No, I think it's too personal, man. You want to see my credits? You want to see my credit score? You want to see my national insurance? Go for it, bro. Nothing's too personal. I'm joking. Anything but that.
Please. Please. What about you?
And details? Yeah, bro. Here we go.
Just that little 6-digit number, you know, it's all I want.
6-digit.
23.
23. Oh, not too far off, man.
Yeah,
Lovely.
Same. Man.
You started at 21 then? You started at, our age. We got lucky. Still can't believe how we managed to find each other from trading. It's crazy. Literally just sitting in economics, right? Of all lessons, economics. And he was just on his phone, looking at
Trading,
charts.
Yeah.
And then I looked over. But bear in mind, it's a bit weird because his phone was in its by his crutch, right? So it's a bit weird that I was.
That's what I said the whole. I was like, why is this guy looking at my phone, bro? What's going on?
Yeah, I looked at his phone and I saw charts. I saw candlesticks. And I was like, bro,
Yeah.
I trade too. And then that from then on we became.
What were the odds? The
What were the odds?
two traders sat next to each other. I think was it the first day of class or was it second year? I don't know. I think it was second year.
It might have been second year, yeah. Yeah, crazy, huh?
Yeah. Mark had to make it awkward. He's like, what has this stream become? We got Stacey Burke.
We got
We got-
Stacey,
we
we got me looking at you.
We got crotches. We got fucking bank details. Jesus.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, Greg Secker. We got Greg
Secker
Secker
as
too.
well, yeah. This stream has just turned out dumb.
But yeah, I'm gonna say it for the last time. I want to see if this. I do need to shoot after this anyway.
Yeah.
So, price is now tapped into the point of interest. We've grabbed all the liquidity in the world. All of these lows.
That wasn't actually our trading story. That was our that was our love story.
That's the birth of Enigma, bro. The true
Don't say
birth.
that, bro. Don't say birth. Bro. I have to say.
Jesus. But yeah,
What a way to end it, huh? What a way to end it.
legit. That's gonna be the last 10 minutes of the stream.
Oh god.
It's funny because that's what people skip to as well.
Don't clip it. Don't clip it.
Let's see, where will my stop loss be now?
After this, I'm gonna delete the stream, or at least the end bit of the stream.
I'm gonna clip the last 10 minutes. Like,
I'm just gonna cut the rest.
Yeah, this stop loss is tricky now. Because
Bro,
if
this
you
is
look
gonna
at
be
the
a
1
crazy
minute,
buy. Yeah.
if you look
crazy
at the
buy,
1
if you
minute,
buy.
this is where we're getting the order block, so price has a decent chance of coming back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch on the 15 minute. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna watch on the 1 minute. And use this for my stop loss. On my MT5, I'll be looking at the 15 minute.
You're still on the buy. That's crazy, you know.
I need to shoot after this, so I'll probably go once I enter.
You already won these buys. Fair enough, man.
Of course, of course.
Fair enough,
We
fair
have to take Castro and Steven out. Not Steven, Samuel.
I use ICT. Not ICT. I use FTMO. I use FTMO.
I'm on IC markets.
That's why I meant IC markets, not ICT. Sorry, I'm dumb today, boys.
He ain't had any coffee.
Yeah, actually, I haven't. I'm not too reliant on coffee, to be fair. I just like to have it sometimes.
Mm.
IC markets or FTMO. The broker. What is your leverage on it?
Mine, I think it's 500 still.
What's
If not
500?
500, it's 100.
IC Markets is a very good broker to have. It's one of the most not regular. It's one of the most established ones. So
Mm.
yeah,
It's a sort of rejection candle. It's interesting. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be watching the 1 minute.
he really doesn't want to go. He really doesn't want us to win here, boys. He wants us to lose. Honestly.
I mean, look at what's happened now. We
Yeah,
took
exactly.
liquidity before coming into that point of interest.
Yeah, we're not
Like
in that.
Nu
point.
was saying, the equal lows, flat lows.
We haven't
as
retested
soon-
168 exactly though.
As soon as we tapped into the point of interest, we push up and break structure towards the upside. It's looking a little too clean to me.
Gold's built liquidity as well on both sides right now on 15 minute.
Yeah, TP I'm gonna have. This high here, 169085.
Stop us a little bigger than what you used to be fair.
Yeah, it's very annoying. But
We
if-
haven't made
if
top
price.
No, we have.
Yeah, if price comes down first, reacts to this low, gives me a better stop loss, it'd be better. I'll decide once we start to break that high.
We don't lose, we just learn. Oh, we definitely lose.
We don't lose, we just learn.
Nah, we lose. We lose.
Yeah. No, of course that. Yeah, you just learn lessons from the losses.
Oh,
innit?
jeez. There we go.
Just make
Side
sure you
push
learn something from everyone.
Nah, see, I agree though. There is always something to learn with every loss you make.
If
the
the
most
price is gonna go, it's gonna go, right?
If it goes for sure. When you move into break even, probably when it reaches its structure, right? Yeah, that is something. I lost my dignity, but we learned that I am into Stacy Buck. Indeed, there was a loss and a gain there.
Yeah. Alright, guys, I've entered on this high here.
To be fair, this wasn't the most educational stream we've done. I can't lie. This is more of a
I
fun.
mean, it was liquidity wise.
It was, yeah. I guess there was something to learn. It was mostly jokes, covered in a lot of jokes.
Stop loss, yeah, I'm gonna have to have this big boy stop loss. It is
But yeah,
annoying.
yeah.
It is
you're
what
gonna
it
have to.
is. 26 pips. I don't like that stop loss at all.
With the other 5 people watching right now, you see how one person saying something on chat changed the entire stream. It was more fun because that one person spoke on chat. Learn from him.
Why are you gonna?
I'm gonna at all of you guys except for Nu and Samuel, all of you. What's up with you, man?
Just at in all. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna make sure I keep my stop loss below here because price can easily react to this zone here. Price could easily just come all the way back down. So I'm gonna keep my stop loss below there. Preferably it comes to this zone here. Of course, let's wait and see though.
I'm hungry.
TP, like I said, I'm gonna have it at
Yeah, every morning.
169092.
Big TP boys.
What is it? A 1 to 3? Basically 1 to 3.
You entered the 15-minute break. Have you entered?
Oh yeah, I entered years ago.
Oh, entered. Yeah, you entered.
I entered this trade before I started trading. Legit.
Now, for real though, it's actually confusing. Have you actually entered or not?
Yeah, it's pretty obvious.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I was like,
Don't worry, the people in the chat aren't confused. You entered on the 15-minute. Yeah, break of that high.
people in the chat are confused. Nu asked a question. Have you entered?
Was it actually not obvious I entered? I swear I said I entered.
Nah, I don't remember.
That's weird. But
Been lost out as well.
break even. Basically, I moved to break even at these highs here. In fact, I'm going to be managing it on my phone, but once it reaches these highs, I'm going to be taking half off the table and just moving to stop loss break even. On that note, I do need to shoot off.
Where's best session volume profile? Okay, PLC still above. You're still pretty decent.
I prefer to end the stream when price moves up a little, just for the. But
well, follow either Discord or Instagram to
yeah,
find out what
guys,
happens with this
gotta-
trade.
you gotta follow the socials in the description if you want to find out what happens.
Good luck, boys.
Sounds.
Have you talked about your risk management and
The
stuff?
noise tells us all. Yeah, okay, yeah. So you can hear the noise. I was about to ask.
How are you gonna manage the?
Yeah, like I said.
I think you already spoke about it. I just wasn't listening too much. To be fair.
Yeah, so
I'm not in a trade no
basically
more.
these highs here break even, take half off the table and target these highs.
There you go then, and then leave runners till end, take profit. There you go.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you for everyone who subscribed, by the way, and everyone who liked the stream. Thank you very, very, very much. But then again, please speak on the chat for all the other 6 people or 5 people in this watching.
Yeah. All right.
Never good enough.